Right, cause that should be confusing me. Like, bro, I'm not about to keep on going down in this damn basement if I don't need no clothes washed. I don't go through my clothes as fast as you. And I really don't give a damn about who fucking festivities you're trying to attend. Come on, gang. Exactly what I said. Why you ain't wash them yesterday? I don't know. This match look a little elite. Look a little elite. Match look a little elite.
Tornado tag with multiple teams facing off. Things are going to get frantic fast.
Whatever team comes out of this with their hand raised is going to make a strong case for being the best in WWE.
A rolling fireman's carry.
Just trying to kick ass right now and take names.
Set to the outside. Looking for his next form of attack. The pin's broken up. I can't believe it. Soaring out of the ring.
Probably not going to win for a couple hundred years, Byron. You know why? And he breaks the hold. There's certainly an element of danger inherent in a no disqualification match, isn't there, Corey?
More than a lot of people realize. It's not just the superstar in the ring you have to worry about. You have to worry about everyone in the locker room that they're aligned with. The odds in this match can swing with or against you so fast.
Dragon screw takedown, not finished yet.
This arena can't contain them, and if history's any indication, no.
Shoulders down, championship on the line. And he gets two at a time.
He actually got pretty far there for such an early pin.
Oh, man. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. Oh, he knew what was coming. Triple H with the counter.
And now he rolls out looking for a timeout.
You don't get any timeouts in a fight. That's just running away.
And that was a precisely measured attack.
I think rage took over in that moment. Nothing but blind rage. His eyes are fixated. He's looking to end this. Incoming.
Pulled out of the way.
Nobody home.
Going right after the neck.
And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver.
Oh, kick right to the spine.
Heading up, he's thinking big. Watch out.
He was elusive there. Now that was a very questionable attack. I think it goes beyond any gray area.
And after that shot to the knee, what could be next? And did you hear the impact of that? Able to get the advantage here. And that was offense with a powerful purpose.
Acrobatics like that take a tremendous amount of cardio and strength.
No one kick out for AJ Styles. He's determined to keep this matchup going.
Oh, the physicality on display there. Unbelievable.
I tried to run, bro. He swung that at me.
DDT.
Spiked. Vicious knee. Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
AJ Styles rolls through into the calf cruncher. Submission. He breaks the hold.
And that one misses the mark. Clothesline.
Watch the quickness on this. Whipped over in a snap suplex.
Top rope. Here we go.
Gentlemen, here we go.
Whoa, what a landing.
The defensive elbow to the gut ends that.
And a well-executed move we just saw there. And that was a successful bit of offense with that maneuver.
Ooh.
Now would be the time for everyone to clear out.
Easier said than done. They are not concerned about anyone else.
Into the body. Double arm DDT.
recover from that. Cover! 2 count. AJ is the pin title on the line. Here we go. Makes a cover.
Barely kicks out.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming.
Flipping the script on him there.
Positioning his opponent. Styles clash. Does Styles finish the job here? Rearranging our rings with the championship on the line.
And he stops the count. But meanwhile, the phenomenal one. Superman punch.
Is it enough to secure the victory? And then
I'll tell you, this guy's no competitor here is looking to give in. It's going to take a lot to end this fight.
we are just seeing sheer perseverance. Nothing is being left back.
He's getting a little battered now.
We're going to grind the features off their face across the top rope.
Dangerous position with your feet tied up like that.
Like, y'all don't be giving me enough window to reverse the move, bro. I swear to God, y'all don't.
That chair connected them fast. DDT on the foot.
Y'all don't give me enough time to reverse it. That's
Moonsault. Looking for the victory. There's two.
And that may be one of the biggest wins of his career.
Here are your winners in the new World Tag Team Champions.
Two great superstars that go great together, and that win is proof.
With a win like that, you have to stand back for a moment and realize all your hard work paid off.
facts. Okay, at least they said that one was great, so